Standard 12th Business Mathematics Exercise 4.5. Fifth question. D square minus 2D minus 15 into y is equal to 0. Given that dy by dx is equal to 0 and d square y by dx square is equal to 2 when x is equal to 0. So they have given you some conditions. So according to that we will have to solve it. Okay. So first your question is given, that is d square minus 2d minus 15 into y is equal to 0. So they are given in the format of d itself. So straight away you can go to the auxiliary equation. So therefore the auxiliary equation is, for auxiliary equation you have to convert your first into m. Okay, that is only auxiliary equation. So the auxiliary equation is m square minus 2m minus 15 is equal to 0. Once you get your quadratic equation, just go for your factorization. Your number will be minus 15 on top and down it is minus 2. So you'll have to go for your factorization and find your numbers now. So I'll just write it as 5 3s are 15 you'll get. Since minus is there, so put for the bigger number minus and for the small number plus. Just check it and see, you'll get your answer. Minus 5 into plus 3 is minus into plus, it will become minus 5 3s are 15. So our part is satisfied. Now going to your down, it is, so subtract this two number, that is 5 and 3 has to be subtracted, you will get your 2, but the bigger number symbol is minus 2. So both the values are satisfied. So you can write your answer m minus 5 into m plus 3 is equal to 0. Now get your values. M is equal to 5 plus 3, if you bring it, that's it, it will become minus 3. Therefore the value of m is 5 comma minus 3. So both are different, isn't it? It's real value but different answers are there. So you can go to your first condition. Real and different is m1 is not equal to m2. So both are different. Then you'll have to go to this formula. Okay, so find your complementary function. So therefore we can write the roots are real and different. Therefore CF is, that is your complementary function. Your formula is a e power m1x plus b e power m2x. So just write in the place of m1 5 and in the place of m2 it is minus 3. So that is equal to a e power 5x plus b e power minus 3x. The general solution is y is equal to this answer, a e power 5x plus b e power minus 3x. So we'll just mark this as equation 1, and they've given you some conditions are there. So first we'll go to first condition. So given that dy by dx is equal to 0 when this x is equal to 0. Okay, so we'll just write it as given dy by dx is equal to 0 when x is equal to 0. So we'll have to find dy by dx. For that, your first equation only y. Okay, so that equation, that is differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. So with respect to x, you will have to differentiate your equation 1 so that you will get your dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to, a will be there as it is, e power 5x. When you are differentiating, it will become e power 5x into 5. Then plus b will be there as it is, e power minus 3x is there. So when you are differentiating, e power minus 3x into minus 3 will be there. So this is your differential to get your dy by dx, and that is given it is equal to 0. So we can declare this dy by dx is equal to 0. That is equal to 5a into e power 5x. This plus into minus, it will become minus 3. I'll just bring it before. 3b into e power minus 3x, which is equal to 0. And they have given you x is equal to 0. So we'll just write when x is equal to 0, dy by dx is equal to 5a e power 5 into, instead of x you will have to put 0. So minus 3b e power minus 3, again instead of x you will have to put 0, that is equal to this 0. That is dy by dx they have given 0, so that answer. So which is implies, so 5a anything to the power 0 answer will be 1. Okay, so e power 0 it is 1. So we'll just declare it as e power 0, 5 into 0 it will become 0. So e power 0 it will become 1. Again minus 3b into, again here also e power 0 will get, so the answer will be 1, that is equal to 0. Therefore the last line of solving is 5a minus 3b is equal to 0. So we'll just declare this equation as 2. Again condition is given d square y by dx square, that is equal to 2 when again x is equal to 0. So I'll just write it as given. So d square y by dx square is equal to 2 when x is equal to 0. So this is the condition they have given you as a second condition. So we'll have to find d square y by dx square. We have got dy by dx here. So this is your dy by dx line. So this has to be differentiated one more time. Okay. So this line, that is the answer for dy by dx, has to be differentiated one more time to get your d square y by dx square. So I'll just differentiate it. D square y by dx square is equal to this 5a will be there as it is. Again e power 5x is there. So e power 5x into 5. So this is your differential for your e power 5x. Then minus 3b will be there as it is. Again e power minus 3x. For that differential is e power minus 3x into minus 3. That is equal to, they have given 2. So we can declare that as 2. So the next line is 5 and 5 is there. 5 5s it will become 25. A e power 5x minus and minus it will become plus. 3 3s are 9. B e power minus 3x which is equal to 2. When x is equal to 0, so this b square y by dx square will become 25a. This will become e power 5 into 0. So 5 into 0 it will become 0. Again e power 0, the value will become 1. So I'll just leave it as 25a plus 9b. Again e power here minus 3 into 0, that will become 0. So e power 0 will become 1. So I'll just leave it as 9b, that is equal to 2. Now this is your equation 3. So solving equations 2 and 3, 5a minus 3b is equal to 0, that is your second equation. 25a plus 9b is equal to 2. This is your second and this is your third equation. So solving these two equations, you will get your value of a and b. So what I will do is, I've got 9 here. So just multiply this second equation by 3. So I'll get it as 3 5s are 15a minus 3 3s are 9b which is equal to 0. Now write your third equation as it is. 25a plus 9b which is equal to 2. So now minus 9b and plus 9b is there. So just you can cancel it. Here 15 plus 25 will get it as 40a, that is equal to this 2. Therefore a is equal to 2 by 40 you will get. So cancelling you will get your answer as 1 by 20. So this is the value of a. Now substituting a in equation, either in 2 you can substitute or in 3 you can substitute. So I'll just do it in 2. So 5 into, in the value here in this equation you will have to substitute it. 5 is there, just wrote it. So in the place of a you will have to write 1 by 20. So 1 by 20, again minus 3b it is there. So which is equal to 0. So you can cancel this 5 and 20, it will go 4 times. So 1 by 4 minus 3b is equal to 0. Minus 3b BB is equal to, this 1 by 4 you'll have to bring it towards your right hand side, so it will become minus 1 by 4. So minus and minus you can cancel. So B is equal to 1 divided by 4 into 3, because this is in the numerator. When you are bringing towards your right hand side, it will come to the denominator. So that is equal to 1 divided by 12. So your B is equal to 1 by 12. So we have got A and B. Now we will have to write the general solution. Already we have written in your general solution in your first equation. Just substitute your value A and B in that equation. So I will just write here your equation 1 here. So substituting A and B in equation 1. So your first equation is y is equal to a e power 5x plus b e power minus 3x. It is equal to, in the place of a we have got 1 by 20. So 1 by 20 e power 5x plus, in the place of b we have got 1 by 12. So 1 by 12 e power minus 3x. So this is the answer for your fifth question.